Hi Confidant, so today I'll be reviewing the Sheba clip-ins by Modern Fro. This is how the hair came out after I bleached it twice. I will insert a picture of how the hair was originally. So the packaging was super cute. It came with some extra clips for the clip-ins, a silk bag, and a nice comb with their emblem on it that says Modern Fro. This is how the hair originally looked before I bleached it. It's 20 inches. Just showing you a clip on how I bleached my clip-ins. Let me know if you want a detailed tutorial on bleaching weave. So I put my hair in a sleek ponytail and plaited the back down. And I already have a video on how I get my hair super sleek. It will be in the description box down below. So I'm going to take this clip-in and I'm going to wrap it around my braid. So first I'm going to stick the clip into my braid and close it, and then wrap the rest of the weft around my braid until I get to the last clip, and then I'm going to secure that into my braid. And when you're done putting the first clip in, it should look like this. Now I'm going to repeat the same process around the rest of the braid. So confidants, I will honestly recommend this hair to you guys. It kept its luster and its shine. I had my curls even after I bleached it twice, and it was minimum shedding I got from this hair. Overall, I really love this hair. I think it's good quality and it blends so seamlessly with mine. Also, this hair kept its density even after I bleached it twice. So quick tip, when you're wrapping the extensions around, you want to make sure you wrap them around super tight so they don't slip out your hair. Once you get to the top of your braid, you're going to take this small clip-in and clip it on to the top to hide the rest of the braid. Next, you're going to take a piece of that hair from the back and just wrap it around the top of your ponytail to hide any tracks showing. Since my clip-ins were wet, I decided to diffuse them instead of air drying. So these are my results. This hair blended seamlessly with my hair. I was really amazed. I love these clip-ins by Modern Fro. This was a super easy, quick style. Make sure you subscribe to my main channel. Link will be in the description box. Bye, confidants.